Today I want to show you how to make non-dairy milk using my almond cow milk maker machine. The machine is super simple to use and it doesn't call for you to soak your nuts overnight. In this video, I'm using roasted and salted pistachios. You can use the nut of your choice. If you do choose to use pistachios and you are looking for that beautiful green color, you will need to peel your pistachios. I didn't peel my pistachios, so my milk will appear to be a buttery greenish brown color, which I'm okay with because I plan to use this milk in my smoothies. I made about 5 cups of nut milk and I'm going to strain it into a glass jar. Later, you'll see me show you the grinded up nuts, and the almond cow does come with a booklet that tells you things that you can do with the pulp. You can throw it in your smoothies or make nut or granola bars. There are a ton of options. As I said before, my favorite thing about the almond cow is that you know exactly what it is that's going into your mouth. There are no preservatives, no additives. You can consume this milk guilt-free.